Which statement is not supported by the passage? A. The dream ballet sequence in Oklahoma was used to develop character and advance the storyline. The passage directly says that choreographer Agnes DeMille's dream ballet sequence revealed character emotions and advanced the plot. As this choice is supported by the passage, we can mark it off. B. The show marked the beginning of Rodgers and Hammerstein's partnership. The passage describes Oklahoma as the first collaboration between composer Richard Rodgers and lyricist-librettist Oscar Hammerstein II. Again, this choice is supported by the passage and can be marked off. C. Oklahoma was the first musical ever awarded a Pulitzer Prize. The passage does state that Oklahoma won a special Pulitzer Prize in 1944, but it never says it was the first musical to win one. As this isn't supported by the text, this choice is likely our answer, but we can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. The production team aimed for every song, dance, and scene to contribute to a single vision. The passage explains that the entire creative team worked toward a unified vision. Every element had to contribute to storytelling. As this choice matches what we find in the passage, we can mark it off and go ahead and mark choice C as our final answer.